Hey Ryan, how are you feeling this morning?
I feel like it's really early. We're at the New York Marathon.
All right, folks, we have 1 minute until we inspire the world here. Good morning.
Yeah, and you ready to run?
In 5 more hours. Line's kind of moving, so I think we're rocking. So we're gonna talk about everyone's training. Wow, you did a lot of races, right?
I did. I ran a lot this year.
I think you're set. I'm not really worried about you.
Yeah, I feel good.
Hey Brian, how's your training been this year?
Excellent. I'm uninjured.
Okay, yeah, you're really fresh. Let's see those last few weeks. So we got 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. What's this first one here? Ooh, 18, 2 weeks ago. 20 and 11. So you did like 40 miles total for the whole training cycle. Well, good luck. The annoying part is Brian's still gonna beat me.
He definitely is good.
Yeah.
How was your training this year?
Adequate. So I did a half Ironman in the fall as like a way to cross train, and it was like the bare minimum required training to finish the half Ironman. In my defense, I got married like 3 weeks ago. So I was
Let's see that
focused on
ring.
that. Oh, it's not on right now. There might be pretty ladies in the race. I don't know if it works like Boston or not. But you officiated, Shaq, so that was cool. This is also devastating information to my one YouTube fan. I finally revealed that I'm off the market.
Oh,
so,
damn.
sorry,
There goes your one fan. That and my mom. Wait, are you talking about my mom?
Yeah, I am.
Welcome to the pre-race, where we rest, fuel up, and cuddle for warmth.
Brand new Brooks Coast.
Why are there no miles in those?
I think they have 8 miles on them.
Are we getting your powers today?
I'm with you. We're here at the therapy dogs, and we're gonna try and pet some dogs.
The New York Marathon boasts a wide range of celebrity participants every year.
So what celebrities do you want to see today, Shaq?
Oh, shoot.
Some famous previous ones include
Pete Buttigieg. I would like to meet him.
I did get to run with them 2 weeks ago. I'm looking to beat Kamala Harris today. I'm working up the ladder.
We did it, Joe.
I want to see those therapy dogs. Those are the real stars.
Yeah.
Those are the true heroes.
Okay, we made it to the marathon. But as everyone knows, getting to the marathon, the hardest part is everything leading up to it.
And I'm not talking about training, we're talking about entry. To get into New York, apply for their lottery for years. Don't get in. Find a one-time only Strava virtual marathon sweepstakes. Spend an entire workday battling the online queue. Be one of 100 people to be selected. Sign up for an unrelated marathon for course support. Miss that flight. Sign up for a 50K Ultra instead, 8 hours before it starts. Run the virtual marathon during that Ultra. Finally win an entry with that to the real marathon, but still have to pay hundreds of dollars to get in. Wear a mask for a few years. Learn the art of patience. Spiral out of control. Wait even longer. Resubmit your entry a final time. Fly to New York. Wake up early for the race. But it's daylight savings time in a new time zone. What time is it?
I'm checking time.gov.
Catch the bus. Head to the start line. Eat peanut butter out of a tube. And that's it. It's easy. Anyone can do it.
Folks, we have 1 minute until we inspire the world here. I share with you this. If you want to run fast, run alone. But if you want to run far, run together. Today, the city, the community,
who have just started their journey of 26.2 miles from the Verrazano Bridge all the way to Central Park.
We've got our road runners out here this morning. Lady Liberty's in the mix.
Welcome to Brooklyn, Brian.
Thank you.
It's almost 2 miles in. This is easy.
So easy.
Hey, Brian. We just passed mile 6.
Yeah,
Brian, what do you think so far?
it's hopping out here, man. I love it. So much pride for the different boroughs and
Yeah, Brooklyn really shows up. I mean, they've been yelling at us for 6 whole miles straight. We'll check in another like 6 miles. We'll get to Queens. Rats!
Halfway on your journey. Way to go through.
mile 13.2.
13.2. How you feeling?
My knees hurt, but cardiovascular strength is there.
I'm in the same boat, but the hips, maybe adrenaline will just make us forget.
Yeah, happy to be running with you.
Yeah.
Let's go again.
Oh, hey there. We're on our way to Manhattan. Queens is really short. We'll see you there. Brian's doing great too.
No, I'm not.
We're almost to mile 20, where most people say the race starts. It feels that way. We just left Manhattan for a bit. Go to Staten Island.
No, we're not. We
Oh,
are.
no, sorry. No, where am I going? The Bronx.
So good.
It is cold anyways. Welcome to our podcast, A Bridge Too Far. This is where we do our bridge talks. It's our last bridge,
Yeah. Heading back into Manhattan.
and we're at like mile 21 it looks like.
Feeling so fresh.
There's mile 21 right there.
Last bridge.
But we had a lot of fun.
Yes.
So we'll check in with you maybe when we're in Central Park. We found Will! Will, thanks for running with us today.
Always balanced.
Will and I haven't run a marathon together since his first one back in Chicago many years ago and many inches of hair ago. Well,
You're doing great. You're very sweaty.
I'm sweaty? Well, you look like shit, Will. You look great for running the first 5 minutes with us, though. Yeah. So I'm gonna go now. Goodbye. Unceremonious goodbye to Will. We are too tired for interviews after mile 20. Great seeing you, though, bud. Fun. So much fun, right, Brian? And just like that, the 5 boroughs of New York had tired of us, and our legs had tired of them. So time to bring this home. One final push. Is it, Brian? Run it in. Sit. biggest marathon in the world. A world major with great friends on and off the course. Elmo, for some reason. And the sun sets as we celebrate the completion of the New York City Marathon. Till next time.